Hello everyone. I am Dr. Asavari Avdut Chidori. I am a dentist by profession and I've completed my master's in public health dentistry and have been a gold medalist too. It's been 6 to 7 years practicing dentistry in Pune, and I tell you, practicing dentistry now after this COVID 19 pandemic has been a very tough job. Fortunately or unfortunately, what this milli micro size virus particle has done to us, it's really unbelievable. And now we have to live with this. So basically, what are the simple norms that we all can follow, we as healthcare professionals as well as you as common responsible individuals or citizens of this country can follow, are basically all the social distancing norms, the personal hand hygiene norms, the personal sanitization norms. This all would help you to protect yourselves and also prevent the transmission of infection to you as well as to your loved ones. And we as healthcare professionals are also taking utmost care by using personal protective equipments, by spreading as much awareness about this disease as possible. By spreading awareness, I would like to mention that I have been a part of a COVID screening program, which was taken up in a rural area in my locality by the government. So from that program, I basically understood that what all needs to be done for you all, and how your attitude or behavior towards this pandemic can be changed. So basically, what I thought is, rather than maintaining just the physical health, the mental health of you all is also very important. So the mental health can be just improved by being spiritual or doing meditation or pursuing your hobbies, or just a video call with your friends can also change your mood and get back your mental health to normal. Also, this all situation has affected us economically as well. But as it is rightly said that nothing lasts longer, or change is the only that remains constant. So we should all know and we should all believe that these times are also going to change and this shall pass too. So all we have to do is take appropriate precautions whatever are necessary, also have a sound and healthy mind and as well as a body by having a healthy diet. Also, what more we can do is spread message to our loved ones, and also keep an eye on them whether they are following the same to protect themselves from this disease. Also, as the role of retractors in this being, they can help us in different by arranging different screening programs for this remote areas where the people are still unaware, or they still don't know all the facts or do's and don'ts of this pandemic. Moreover, together we all can survive through this pandemic. That is what I feel. And lastly, I would also like to thank our retractor RTR Pooja Jagirdar for giving me this opportunity to speak on behalf of all my fellow colleagues and all my fellow doctors. And also wishing everyone a very happy Doctor's Day. On this occasion, I feel all the young retractors are doing a very well job. Hats off to you all, and hats off to all my doctor fraternity as well. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.